The Fed cut interest rates, but mortgage rates ticked up. So, should you rent or should you buy in the San Fernando Valley in 2025? Well, yesterday we saw that the Fed lowered the interest rates, and buyers and sellers, well, they immediately got hopeful that the housing market would pick up. But here's the reality. The bond market, which influences mortgage rates, didn't react the same. In fact, mortgage rates actually ticked up with a midday rate increase. So here's what you need to know. The Fed cuts the rate banks pay to borrow money, but that doesn't always mean mortgage rates drop immediately. I mean, sometimes they even move in the opposite direction, which we saw yesterday, but normally it's only short term. So the big questions that people are searching right now is now a good time to buy a house? Should I buy or should I rent in 2025? Well, as I said yesterday, Jerome Powell said the Fed expects to cut rates 2 or more times before the end of the year. Now, it's not a guarantee, but if it happens, buyers who are ready could benefit greatly. So how do you know and how do you get ready? Well, first you need to check your credit report. You can pull a free credit report from all 3 bureaus, and if you need help, reach out and I'll send you a link to the site. Next, explore grants and assistance programs. For example, City National Bank is offering a $20,000 grant for first-time homebuyers. There's no PMI, no elevated rates, and it even works if you have a lower FICO score or higher income. Finally, start planning. Even if you're a month, 6 months, or maybe a year away, it helps to know what a mortgage payment for you could look like and what it takes for you to qualify. Remember, an important part of planning is knowing your credit score. Corrections or adjustments can take 30 days or more, and you don't want to fall in love with a beautiful home only to find out something is on your credit report and blocking you from being able to buy it. So let's ask the tough questions. Will lower rates and grants and first-time home buyer programs make 2025 the right time to buy a home? Or will prices and payments still keep people on the sidelines? You see, home ownership, it's always been the American dream. And together, we need to keep that dream within reach. I'd love to hear your thoughts on the Federal Reserve's rate drop and whether you think 2025 is the year to buy. Drop your thoughts into the comments and I'll be back tomorrow with more real estate news for you.